Okay, here goes the first video on graphing quadratic inequalities when it's set up in vertex form. So we've done both of these before. Standard form looks like that, and vertex form is when there's a squared quantity. Alright, so we learned before that when it's set up like this, we can grab the negative of h and pull it down and k, and that becomes our vertex. Okay, so keeping that in mind, I have a reminder up here in the corner. It should be fairly simple to find the vertex. So I look at this, it's x minus 3, alright, and h equals 3 in this case. Okay, so I just pull it out of there, and then k equals -1. So you can find your vertex by looking at this position and this position. All right, we don't actually have to use any other formula. So 3, -1. Looks like it's right there. And just like we did before, I want to maybe plug in 4. Okay, our last video got cut off, so just to finish this one up, I was right at this point. We had graphed the vertex, and what I did is I tried a few other points around the vertex, 4 and 5, plugged those in. I was talking about how it's pretty easy. You can almost do these in your head. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 squared is 1. So 3 times 1 minus 1, so 3 minus 1 is 2. So you can almost work through those in your head. Now obviously you can plug it in your calculator. Just make sure when you plug it in with the parentheses and everything. So 5 minus 3 squared minus 1, press enter, you get the 11. So I went ahead and plotted those 2 points, 4, 2 and 5, 11, and then I also knew that it was symmetrical, so I just plotted the points that I knew, and it's less than, so I knew it's going to be a dashed line. So then I went through and I'm going to plug in the test point 0, 0, and I really showed every single step here. Here's the original equation. I plugged in 0 for y, 0 for x. -3 squared is 9. Okay, so 9 times 3 gives you the 27, minus 1 is 26. Now, so you get 0 is less than 26. That is obviously true. Okay, so this is a solution. So our solutions are out here. Okay, so not only is this point a solution, but everything, if I tested that point there, it would work. If I tested that point out there, that's 8, 5, that would also work. It would come out as a true statement. Okay, so therefore, I'm going to shade on the outside.